Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel where we talk about all things money and entrepreneurship. In this video, we are going to talk about affiliate marketing and how you can use it to make money in 2023. If you're interested in building a low risk, high reward business that can potentially lead to financial freedom, then please keep watching. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to increase your income in 2023, affiliate marketing might be worth considering. Rather than associating wealth with luxury positions, true wealth means having enough money to provide financial security and freedom. So in this video, we will explore how affiliate marketing can help you achieve your financial goals. To start, it's crucial to determine how much money you need to live comfortably. While a survey found that Indians and Americans believe it takes over $2.2 million to be considered rich. Individuals' needs vary. For some, being rich means having enough money to cover all expenses and provide financial stability. Let's say if your monthly expenses total $5,000 a month, including housing, transportation, entertainment, taxes, healthcare, and other costs, your burn rate is $5,000. If you can't save any money, your run rate is zero. To build wealth, you need to earn more than you spend each month. While saving and investing are traditional approaches, saving $1,000 a month won't make you rich. Instead, you need to increase your income. While getting a higher paying job in a common solution, it won't necessarily make you rich. The best way to become wealthy is to create a low risk, high rewarded business that you can start while working your regular job. Over time, you can grow the business until it exceeds your 9 to 5 income, allowing you to quit your job and save a significant portion of your income. While opening a brick and mortar business is often associated with making a high income, and it's risky and requires significant capital and experience. For example, starting a McDonald's franchise requires at least $500,000 in cash and a $45,000 franchise fee, and the total launch cost around $1.3 to $2.3 million. Additionally, profit margins in the food industry can be as low as 3% to 5% according to a survey, whereas internet business can have profit margins over 80%. First, let's define affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a business model where you can earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. You get a unique affiliate link that can track your referrals, and you can earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your link. It's a win-win situation for both you and the product owner. So how can you get started with affiliate marketing is a question. The first step is to choose a niche that you're interested in and passionate about. It can be anything from health and fitness to personal finance, beauty, or technology. It can be anything. The key is to choose a niche that has a lot of demand and a lot of products or services that you can promote. Next, you need to find a product or service to promote as an affiliate. You can do this by joining affiliate networks such as ClickBank, ShareSale, Digistore24, MaxWeb, PartnerStack, or Commission Junction, and even more. There are a lot many things, or by reaching out to individual companies that have affiliate programs. Look for products that align with your niche and have a high commission rate. Once you have found your product to promote, it's time to create content that promotes those products. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, social media posts, or email newsletters. Your content should provide value to your audience and should be informative, engaging, and relevant to your audience needs and interests. Be sure to disclose that you're promoting products as an affiliate and provide an honest review on the products or services you're promoting. My suggestion is to use that product before you promote. To drive traffic to your affiliate links, you can use various marketing strategies such as search engine optimization, SEO, paid advertising, social media marketing, or influencer marketing. The key is to focus on the channels that work best for your niche and your audience. So there you have it, folks. Affiliate marketing is a low risk, high reward business model that everyone can start. By choosing a niche, finding products and services to promote, creating high quality content, and driving traffic to your affiliate links. So if you're really interested to start an affiliate marketing business, I can help you out in another way, like as my mentor helped me to reach this position while I'm making thousands of dollars per month, and I'm here to help you out too. Let me do one thing. I will be introducing you to my mentor. So there are weekly live streamings. So please visit the first link in the description and get registered so that you would be getting a personal invite from my side to attend that live streaming and know much more about affiliate marketing. So like once you are into that, once you undergo each and everything, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business and achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.